Hey friends, thank you guys for watching. So today I gotta get some grocery shopping done and I'm here parked in front of Trader Joe's and I was like, let's go shopping together. So let's go get some grocery shopping done. All right, this is where we're going. So you guys, I learned that for watermelons, if it has like the brown stuff on it, it's sweeter. And also my dad, he actually taught me like to listen for a sound. Like if it sounds hollow, that's when it's good. I always get worried because Justin hecka makes fun of me when it's not sweet because I'm like, oh, I'm the expert, but I'm really not. But this is the one I chose. Hopefully it's good. We also love cantaloupe, so I'm gonna get one of these guys. Justin, explain. Tell us all about it, honey.
Well, I think that if it's like super green like this still has a long time to go before getting ripe. Yeah. And you don't want it to be super like mushy. Yeah, like if you touch it and it's mushy, yeah. We're gonna get some avocados. Yeah, I've been on an avocado kick lately. Yeah, Justin loves himself some avocado. Is like too ripe and too not so ripe, right? You guys, we don't know how we're picking it. No, so that I can eat the first two, and then by the time I'm done eating the first two, the others will be ready. That's smart, that's smart. They're all kind of green today, so I'm gonna try and get maybe 2 bunches that are not completely green because it takes a long time for them to ripen. Oh, these ones down here look kind of ripe. 2 bunches. We go through a lot of bananas. So this is what we're getting: organic Tuscan kale, and some spinach too, and some mushrooms. I love jicama, so I'm gonna get one of these guys, and then Justin's looking at Brussels sprouts. What do we got? Brussels sprouts. And rice and some broccoli. I've never heard of this, but they say use it to replace like rice or pasta with your protein or sauce or something. So we always get our berries: strawberries, 2 blueberries, a raspberry, and then I got beets. I love these. Then I'm gonna get one of these guys, some vanilla almond milk. This is really good. And yogurt, of course, for the boys. They love yogurt sticks. I'm gonna get this one, the strawberry one. Pinata apples. These are organic, but I've never heard of this or seen it. It says crisp and crunchy and a tropical taste. Okay. Okay. Like, apples, apples are apples to me. And then we're getting these yogurts for the kids: bananas and cream and strawberries and cream too. I also got some zucchini so I can make zucchini bread and also, you know, to eat it. Oh gosh, someone save me. He's getting jerky. What do you mean someone save me? Jerky equals gas, y'all. I'm not a fan. I remember we flew to Japan and he packed jerky. I died on the plane. This is called the shop with me, not let's put Justin on blast with me. But he's getting it. Pray for me. This salad is so good. It's harvest salad with grilled chicken. It's got this like creamy Dijon dressing. It's super good. And then the cob is always good. So I love the salad too. I love that they have sample coffee here, so I always get some. And then I also got this organic hot dogs for Liam. We also got applesauce. We got the apple strawberry and apple mango. Been meaning to try this, the everything but the bagel sesame seasoning and blend, so I gotta get this. A few more things: some mixed nuts, peach halves in white grape juice. This is $2.99, you guys, and it's so good. It's the Green Dragon hot sauce. My boys, they love this. The breaded chicken tenderloin breasts. Oh yeah, all you have to do is bake it. I love these seasoned kale chips. They have cashew butter and tahini on them. Oh my god, and they're pretty low carb. You know, they're really good. Let's get 2 of those because like one sitting is like... It's like, how much? This is 150, 300 calories for the whole package. We're getting a couple of these. They're so good. The wasabi ones are really good too. They're spicy though, the wasabi ones, so 4 of these guys. So I'm gonna get this. I don't think I've ever tried this, but I love crab cake. And then this is so good. I love getting this. This is fish nuggets. And then some red shrimp. We're gonna do a zoodles recipe with this. So I've been eating as like my protein for dinners or lunches. I've been doing like, you know, like deli meat. So I've got prosciutto and some pastrami. Oh yeah, I don't know our April Athena 7 friends. He is on the keto diet. I call it keto light because I'm not like hardcore. He's not hardcore. I kind of am though. I have been doing like pretty low carb, so it's been going well. Yeah, I'm on that seafood diet. Seafood, I eat it, you know. But tell me why Mr. Keto over here is trying to get wine. Like I thought you couldn't drink wine. They said that red, like a cab or something, is like the lowest carbs. If you had to do it, so I'm just gonna like put it away in the cabinet. I'm not getting anything here, but I just have to show you guys mango sticky spring rolls. If you guys have tried it, let me know because I'm kind of tempted, but I'm not gonna get it. And then of course their mochi's good.
The cookies, the macarons are really good. I was addicted to this for a long time. The ice cream bonbons, those are good. Oh my gosh, this looks like a, what's it called? Like a Pizookie. Okay, I said I wasn't getting anything. I changed my mind. Mango cream bars are so good. I have to get these guys. Ooh, those look good too. No, I'm gonna get this. I'm wearing a jacket, you guys, and it is almost June. It's just really cold lately. Anyways, friends, thank you guys so much for watching our Trader Joe's shop with me. If you guys enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and in the comments let me know what you guys like getting at Trader Joe's, and we'll see you next time. Bye!